Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite one-pot meals, Instant Pot Thai peanut noodles with chicken. It has the flavor profile of a pad Thai if you're familiar with that dish, but I won't go so far as to say it's pad Thai because I do take a few shortcuts and I use spaghetti noodles because they hold up best in the Instant Pot. I love that I can make noodles in one step in the Instant Pot. You may also like my videos for Thai red curry and green curry, which are reader favorites, and I personally think those are restaurant quality recipes. I'll go over the ingredients for Thai peanut noodles and then I'll tell you how to make the recipe. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the Thai peanut noodles. I'm sorry, but the ingredients are in no particular order. It's whatever worked for arranging this photograph. So if you go to the blog, you can get a printable recipe which has the ingredients in the order they're used. I'll include a link to that in the notes of this video. So first you need 2¼ cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, approximately 8 ounces, cut into strips, 4 green onions, the white parts and the green parts separated, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce or more to taste, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 cup of julienne vegetables, bell peppers and carrots are my favorites, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 8 ounces of dry spaghetti cut in half, the green part of the green onions, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which is missing from this picture. Start by combining the sauce ingredients in a medium bowl. Start with the fish sauce, rice wine vinegar, chili garlic sauce, brown sugar, peanut butter, lime juice, and stir everything together using a whisk until you have a smooth sauce. Heat the Instant Pot in saute mode, and once it's hot, add the oil. Once the oil has heated up, you can add your vegetables. In this case, I only use bell peppers, but you can add carrots, and I like to cut them in long julienne strips. Saute the vegetables until they're cooked to tender crisp, or whatever amount of crispness that you like, and then remove the vegetables once they are cooked to your liking. Once you've removed the vegetables, add the chopped ginger, the white part of the green onions, and the chicken pieces. Stir together until the chicken has lost its raw color, and it shouldn't take too long. Add some broth to deglaze so nothing's stuck to the bottom, and then add the remaining broth. Add the sauce, and then now you're going to add the spaghetti, and you're going to do this in batches, and you want to spread them out in a row and alternate going in opposite directions, as you can see here. And the reason is so that the spaghetti doesn't all stick together in a bunch. So once you put a bit of them, a few layers in, you're going to push down so they go below the liquid, and then add the remaining spaghetti. So as many layers as you can in opposite directions will just make the spaghetti not clump as much. Now close the lid, and you're going to program the Instant Pot to pressure cook for 6 minutes on high pressure. Once the time is up, release the pressure using the quick release method. Open the lid and watch out for the steam. And you're going to stir up the noodles using your spatula to separate the noodles because many of them may be stuck together. Add the vegetables back in, green onions, cilantro, and stir the vegetables into the noodles until they're combined and the vegetables are incorporated into the noodles. And that's it. You have your Thai peanut noodles that you can eat as a one-pot meal, or you can have it accompany another main dish. I like to just serve it just by itself because it's quite filling and satisfying. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.